Pull out the control cabinet door and open glass door. Hold the latches behind the pickup bucket on both sides, pull them inward and take out the pickup bucket. Remove these 3 nuts for each side. Separate the pickup bucket and front panel. Remove 8 screws from the back of the pickup door. Take out the pickup door baffle and its frame. Prepare a new pickup door baffle for replacement. Move the foam cover and plastic cover to the backside of new baffle. Place back the baffle frame. Install the new pickup door baffle with 8 screws. Finish the pickup door baffle replacement as shown. For pickup door frame replacement, we need to remove the screws behind the rubber stripe. Then remove all the screws on the big black cover plate. Remove the cover plate. Remove the front frame. Then remove the frame at the back. Align the hole and install the new frame at the back. Place back the big black cover plate. Install the new front frame. Fix all screws for big black cover plate. Fix all screws for pickup door frame behind the rubber stripe. Now we have finished pickup door frame replacement. Attach the front panel to the pickup bucket. Fix 3 nuts for both sides. Align the 2 holes, then place back the pickup bucket. Verify the mechanism after replacement.